Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and industry oriented training platform. So whenever we talk about the server 2025, so generally Microsoft introduces two major editions of this product. The first one is called desktop experience, the second one is called core edition. So most of the time when we deploy server 2025 inside the data center, so it's recommended that you have to go with the core edition because it will consume almost 50% less resources when we compare it with the desktop experience. Second thing, when we talk about the desktop experience and comparison with the core edition is more secure because core edition only contain all the applications, protocols, and services which generally recommended for the data center. While when we talk about the desktop experience, so it will cater number of additional protocols, applications, and features inside the operating system. So it's recommended that you have to go with the server deployment of core edition. So let's move and see how we can perform the installation of core edition. Here is another important thing when we talk about the core edition. So it's really good regarding the performance, regarding the security, but when we talk about the implementation, management, monitoring, administration, this kind of stuff, so it's really difficult because at every step we need a command. So for that purpose we are going to explore two additional applications which is outside server 2025. So these two applications will definitely make an ease for the management, administration, and monitoring of the core edition. So let's explore these two applications as well.
So here we go with the first step. Click on the next button, just select the basic components, and here you can see I just agreed the license terms and conditions. Now I need to provide the other information. These are the really simple steps. We just need to select the standard edition, which is generally considered as the core edition. I need to accept the license terms and conditions, and then the part where we can select the storage area regarding the deployment of server 2025 core edition. So the very basic, very simple steps, just need to click on the installed button, and within few moments this installation process will be completed. So I'm going to pause the video, and then we'll continue further. Here you can see now we are moving with the almost 50% of the deployment, and very simple steps. If you are dealing with the server operating system, so it's not rocket science to install the server 2025 core edition. So the VM restarted. Now please keep your computer on. So we have a VM, so we don't need to keep it on, and just click on the OK button after the reboot. So I hit entered and move forward because it will ask about the password. Definitely we need login credentials. So for that purpose, I'm going to type the password, and then it will provide me the login screen of server 2025. So I just retype or confirm the password, hit entered, and then OK. And here we go. Now we just logged in inside the core edition. So moving forward, we will definitely cover some more areas regarding the sorry, regarding the deployment of server 2025. So now we are moving forward and enable remote desktop on the core edition. By default, this option is disabled. You can verify over here. So I just need to hit enter 7. So inside that option, I have the option to enable the remote desktop. So I just type E and hit enter. And for selection, we need to go with the option number 2, allow clients running any version of the remote desktop, because for the purpose of compatibility. So I just hit entered. Now you can verify that I can easily access this core edition via remote desktop. Here I just need to type the IP, and then with the specific credentials I will be able to log into this core edition, because the remote desktop is enabled on this virtual machine. So I just need to put the credentials. I type the administrator and then provide the password, and now I'll be able to connect that machine via RDC. So here we go. Now I'm connected on this machine as well. So these are the simplest steps we can verify after the deployment, or you can say installation of server operating system.